Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Tantan account. So you have a Tantan account that you use for online dating for some reason, and now you want to log out of that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of your Tantan account from a Tantan application in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of your Tantan account is open a Tantan application. So once you open your Tantan application, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to log out of your Tantan account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, you land on your profile. From your profile, what you need to do is go into your settings. So to go into your settings, tap on the settings option. Now from the settings option, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you'll have three buttons, and the button on the bottom will be labeled as sign out. So in order to log out of your Tantan account, what you need to do is simply tap on the sign out button. Once you tap on the sign out button, a pop-up window like this will open for your confirmation. So here you have the option to remember your information, which means if you want to log into your account again, the Tantan application will remember all your sign-in credentials, so you will not have to enter it again. You can simply tap on the account and you'll be logged in again. So if you want to do that, you can check this box. If you don't want to do that, uncheck this box, then tap on the sign out button. So once you tap on the sign out button, you'll successfully sign out of your Tantan account from your Tantan application. So those are the simple steps in order to sign out of your Tantan account in your Tantan application in a very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.